friends. I am Susan with Clear Scraps, and we are excited to be here today. One of the things I do want to say, though, is thank you, Scrapbook Expo, for providing this platform for us to be able to share our products with and get to know our customers in a different way. So thank you, Scrapbook Expo, for letting us be a part of this. Again, like I said, my name is Susan Fraze, and with my husband, we are the owners of Clear Scraps. And one of the things I love to share with you guys is that we are 100% U.S. made. Everything that you see here that I'm going to show you is on our website, but one of the things I'm proud of is that my husband and I, we work together as a team. I get the blessing behind designing all of this, and he cuts it. So some of the things that we're going to do today that I'm going to share with you is I'm going to give you guys a quick demo on how to make this fun little cell phone stand using napkins. Can you believe it? Here's the best part about this wood phone stand. Guess what? It's reversible. So you can go either way to get this done. But before we get to this, I do want to share with you guys some of our other Clear Scraps products that maybe people don't know about us. Did you guys know that we cut stencils? We have tons of stencils. Everything from Bible journaling stencils to our new farmhouse collection stencils. This one right here is actually going to be, it's brand new. It will be released June 25th. Actually, so when you guys are watching this, it's already been released. And so we also have card making stencils. We also have 6x6 and 12x12 stencils too, which are wonderful to work with. When we met on the last event together, I shared with you guys some new shakers that were coming out, and they are now released, so you definitely can find them on our website. We have the great new little gnomes that you can see. We have, I think there's 14 new different designs that you'll have to look at, and they are fantastic. I don't know if you guys have worked with shakers before, but they're really a lot of fun to do, and so they can go together very easily. And you can look at those all on our website as well. Under embellishments, then go to shakers. Very easy to find on the website. Some of our other products that maybe you haven't seen that Clear Scraps does. We've changed a lot over the years. And so some of the other things that we have been doing is we actually cut a lot of wood now. And so we have wood pallets. They come in 3 different sizes. They come in a very small size. They also come in a larger, kind of a medium-sized palette, and then they come in extra large sizes as well. We also have new wood quotes, and I don't know about you guys, but you know what? This is one of my favorite quotes these days as we live in these uncertain times. You know what? Faith over fear, right? The other thing that we have too is we have lots of wood shapes to look at. Lots of wood shapes, and they come in lots of different sizes as well. So they come in, and you'll have to look at all the different styles that we have too in the wood shapes. We have from large tags to large cutouts. Look at this great vintage truck that you can really do some amazing things with. The other thing that I want to share with you is last time we were together, I'm going to set this down here. The last time we were together, we worked on our new little desktop frames. Do you guys remember these? We did a cute little one that we put one of these together. Well, guess what? I now have this one in a complete kit where you can get everything together. And the best part is when you go over to my Facebook page and you join our new group, I'm going to show you exactly how to put this together for free. It's a free class that you get to be a part of. And you can buy all the kit stuff ahead of time as well. And so they come in lots of different sizes and different sayings as well. Super fun to work with. So with that, let's get ready and let's make this little phone stand. All right, let's get started with this fun little project that I'm going to show you guys how to do. One of the things I do want to do is I want to give a quick shout out to Tracy Pound with the Little Blue House. This is actually a technique that she shared with me, how to work with the napkins, and so I definitely want to give her that honor. But let's show you how easy this is to do. So we're going to start first with our wood phone stand, and the thing to remember is that there's a lot of different information on the back of the package in here that will show you some different ways to work with it. But we're working with the wood phone stand right now. And so I've kind of done a little bit of a step out to kind of show you this. And so I want to show you also too how this is reversible. So each one of these come with the part that holds the cell phone here, and you can also turn it over and make this reversible. I love that part. I love options. But I'm going to show you how to do the napkin art of this. And so as we get started here, pick your favorite type of napkins that you want to use. Very simple, very easy. I actually saw this one and I think it'll be fun to show you guys how to work with this. And so the first thing I did was I took the phone stand here and I painted it white with chalk paint. And all I'm using here is the Folk Art, the plaid chalk paint here. Painted both sides of this white. Now, let it dry. It dries very quickly. Let it dry. And then the next product that you're going to use is you're going to want to use a Mod Podge, and you want to use the matte formula. That's important too, is to use the matte formula when you're working with the napkins. Now, I'm just going to take and add a little bit to the front of this. So one of the things, I'm going to use a smaller brush. The other thing I like to use too is I normally don't like to use a sponge brush on this. I usually like to use a regular brush, but I was out of them. But that's okay. We're going to make this work. And so what I'm doing is I'm just rubbing the Mod Podge all over this. See how easy this is to do? Now remember, I've already painted it white. And watch how easy. Just make sure you get a nice good coating on there. Okay. Get this out of the way here. And then choose your napkin. Now the one thing you want to remember is that napkins have layers on them. And so you want to make sure that you separate the layers as you are working with them. Kind of want to show you that. Kind of give you guys a really quick little, see how there's layers here? But I'm going to go ahead and use this one because I love this saying here, follow your dreams. And so I have already taken the layer off of this. And I'm just going to lay it right over the top of that napkin where I want it to lay on there. And then I'm just going to kind of smooth this out over the top of that wood piece there. Now, one of the things that Tracy has taught me how to do is to take a brush here, and you just pounce over the top of this. And what that does is that gets all of the rest of the air bubbles out of this, and it just gives it a nice finish when you're working. Now again, I'm right over the top of that phone stand. Remember, it looks like this. I painted it white, and now I'm going over the top of it. Now, when you're pouncing, some tips. When you're pouncing over the top of this, one of the things that I have found is make sure you don't do it too hard, because you know what, that napkin is still very, very fragile. But it's such a fun way to work with different products. And then I just kind of smooth this out. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of this napkin left over, and you could cut this off. And so, but I want to show you this great tool that we have here. I'm going to take my scissors here, and I'm just going to kind of cut around the outer edge of that napkin. I could have done that beforehand so it wasn't so big to work with, but I really wanted you guys to see the full effects of everything. So again, that's what it looks like on that side. I can see also too that I've missed a little bit here. No big deal if it's not sticking. You just go back in and just add some more of the Mod Podge to it. Again, you definitely are going to want to make sure that you are pouncing to press that back down. And so now I have my napkin around. I have to get it off. I could take and cut this for sure, cut this off, but I have this great tool, and I know some of you guys ordered this tool last time and then I ran out very quickly, but I definitely have it in stock now, and you can find that on our website at clearscraps.com, and it is under tools from there. But very easy. You definitely want to let this dry, and so this is a little bit wet still, and all I'm going to do is take this great tool here and get those fantastic edges all the way around. So easy to do. Take that, go all the way around until you get everything off of there. Now to make it reversible, so now I have my napkin on here, right? I have my napkin on here. A lot of people want to know how to get there in that little area. Again, I just take this great little tool, rub it inside of there. If I want to make this reversible, what I'm going to do then is actually find some great paper that I want to work with. And see, look at this. I already have this stepped out, ready to go. Look at how easy that is. Just trace and then glue it down. You can see exactly how that works. And again, you can also take this great tool and sand off the edges as you're working around. The one tip I do want to give to you guys, if you're doing this with the wood phone stands, is that when you're working with this from time to time, make sure that you take the little plate here, the little shelf for your phone, and you go in between that slot, because when you're working with product there, you're taking this in and out. You want to make sure that it's still going to fit and not get built up with all of that product in there. So make sure that you're checking this from time to time as you're working with this. If I go back here to this napkin art, again, remember, let's kind of finish this out and quickly just show you guys how easy this is to do. You could even tear this off. I mean, really, it's so easy to do. You'll love working with the napkins. Again, just take a quick, see how easy that is to do with this great tool here. And then remember, see, we still have this section right here to work with as well. And so I'm just going to go into that edge and get that off of there. And then you've also got the slat here. You just use your finger to kind of press that through, right? And then you can get some of this stuff out of the way here. Remember, I have two different sizes to work with. I have the large and I have the small. And the small just kind of gets in there in between those. Oh, that's going to be cute. That's going to be fun. I can tell that there's a little bit here that needs to be stuck down a little bit with the Mod Podge. And you may run into that issue from time to time. Just add a little bit of your Mod Podge there and that will stick back down and let that dry. And then again, to finish off the backside, like I have on this one here, I just found some cute paper to work with, traced it, cut it out, and then just glue this down with your 3-in-1 or your zip dry. One of those products will work great. And so that is just a fun way to do a quick project. See how easy that is? And like I said, you can make this reversible. You could add a little frame to this, add some pictures to it, make it fun to work with. I have a couple of other samples over here on the wall that I'll show you how they look when they're finished as well, to give you guys some different ideas to work with. Again, these are our wood phone stands, and they come in 3 different shapes. We also have them in a tablet stand too, so that you can get bigger to work if you want a bigger project to work with as well. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just fun, quick little project to work. How easy that is to do, and that is just doing that with napkins. Isn't that the best? Just with regular napkins. But let's go back over to the wall and I'll show you some of our show specials that we have going on, because that's what you guys are waiting for, right? You want those show specials. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that short, quick little demo. It's very easy to do. Look at how cute this, see, when it's all finished, how cute that is. Isn't that fun? And that is just done with napkins and Mod Podge and our wood cell phones. Let me just kind of show you guys. So, like again, our show specials that we have going on is these retail for $7.99, but guess what? You can get 4 of them for $29.99. Plus, when you use our coupon code on our website, you get an additional 15% off. And that coupon code, guess what? It's called Expo Live. So make sure you take advantage of that. We have free shipping over $75, so you'll definitely want to take advantage of that as well too. These sanding sticks here, They are underneath the tools like I shared with you before. Go to tools and then you'll see the sanding sticks in there. I think it's under other craft tools, and then you'll see the sanding stick. The cell phones are under home decor. You'll find that on our website too. A couple of things I do want to encourage you guys with is take advantage of our fun new online classes that we're doing in our new Facebook group, Clear Scraps. So go to Clear Scraps, go over to Facebook, join our group, and I am going to be offering this class right here free, and we will also have these bundles of these kits on our website as well. And so you'll find these, this class kit right here, you'll find this underneath kits and also under what's new as well. Don't forget that we also have a full line of stencils that you can take advantage of. Most people don't, they kind of forget that we have all those stencils to take advantage of. We also have our new shakers. Our new shakers, look at how fun these are, guys. I think this one right here is my favorite one. It's the gnome, isn't that cute? Just love this one. Jim hates to cut this one, but I love this one. So we have some fun new shapes that are becoming also at the end of July. Some new wood shapes, like our new big wood shapes. You'll get to see those at the end of July too. And you can find all of that under what's new. Another quick class that I will be doing as well, free for you guys. When you come over to our Facebook page and you join us in our group, guess what? I'm going to be showing you how to do this one here. And this is a brand new stencil that we are releasing, that's been released as well. Welcome. This is easy to do, you guys. Some of the same techniques that I showed you last time with the wax and the chalk paint. Super easy to do. Again, come over to our Facebook page over at Clear Scraps, join our group, and you'll get an opportunity to see lots of fun techniques that we're doing with our products. I guess that's probably about it for us. I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment. The other thing I want to make sure I share with you guys is, again, thank you Scrapbook Expo for giving us a platform, an opportunity to keep our businesses going. I am so incredibly grateful to you guys. Don't forget to also support the other vendors. Also, don't forget to support your local stores. You know what? Because when they carry Clear Scraps products and you buy those products from those local stores, it's a win-win for us and the stores. So don't forget to support them as well either. The last thing I'll finish up with is, you know what, my crafting friends, Jim and I, we miss you guys. We miss seeing you guys at the shows. We are grateful to you. We are blessed beyond blessed. And also know that we pray for you guys. We're grateful for you. And let us know how we can help you guys with Clear Scraps products as well. God bless each one of you, and thank you for joining us today.